Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the language of big business. Today, we're diving into the latest report from Encore Capital Group, and let me tell you, it's a bit like finding a treasure chest full of, well, let's just say it's not all gold coins. We'll see what's really going on with this debt collection giant. This report gives us a peek into Encore Capital Group's performance and strategy. We will break down their financial health, major moves, and what it all means for the future of the company and the debt collection industry. This document is called an 8K form. Companies use it to quickly tell investors about big news or important events. Think of it as a corporate breaking news alert. This report is dated February 26, 2025, which means it is a pretty recent snapshot of what's happening with Encore Capital Group. Encore Capital Group is who we are focusing on. They're a big player in the debt collection business, meaning they buy up debts that other companies couldn't collect and then try to get people to pay them. Here we see that Encore Capital Group has its stock listed on the Nasdaq stock market. Its trading symbol is ECPG. This means that anyone can buy or sell a piece of the company on the stock market. Regulation FD disclosure, or fair disclosure, is a rule that says if a company shares important information with certain people, like analysts, they have to share it with everyone else at the same time. This keeps things fair for all investors. The big news here is that Encore Capital Group put up a presentation on their website. This presentation likely contains important information about how the company is doing. We can find a copy of the slide presentation attached to this report as Exhibit 99.1. This means we can take a look at what the company is telling investors. The report is signed by Jonathan C. Clark, who is the Executive Vice President, Chief Financial Officer, and Treasurer of Encore Capital Group. This shows he is taking responsibility for the accuracy of the information in the report. Now we are seeing all of the exhibits included with this report. Let's check out this slide presentation of Encore Capital Group. Unfortunately, the actual content of the slide presentation isn't included in this filing. However, it is safe to assume that the presentation covers the company's recent performance, future plans, and other information that would be important to investors. Without the slide presentation, it's tough to give you specific numbers. But based on what we know about Encore Capital Group, let's make some assumptions and see what to make of this company. Encore makes money by buying debt for cheap and then collecting it. We should look at a few things. How much debt are they buying? What's the trend there? How much are they collecting compared to what they paid? What are the overall profits and revenues? Are they going up or down? What are the general economic conditions like? How much debt are they buying? If they're buying less, that could mean they think debt is overpriced, or it could mean they don't have as much money to spend. How much are they collecting compared to what they paid? This is called the collection rate. If it's going down, that means they're getting less money back on each debt they buy. What are the overall profits and revenues? Are they going up or down? This is the bottom line. If profits are down, that's not good. What are the general economic conditions like? If the economy is bad, people are less likely to pay their debts. Now, let's take a step back and assess Encore Capital Group's overall direction. On the plus side, they are a major player in a pretty stable industry. Debt collection isn't going away anytime soon. They've also been around for a while, so they probably know what they're doing. One risk is regulation. Debt collection is heavily regulated, and if the rules change, it could hurt their business. Another risk is the economy. If people lose their jobs, they're less likely to pay their debts. In conclusion, Encore Capital Group is a player in the debt collection world, but like any company, it faces challenges. Keep an eye on those key financial metrics and those external factors to see where this company is headed. Thanks for watching. If you found this corporate decoder breakdown helpful, give us a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of business. Until next time.